Hey everybody, it's Kitty Ew, and today I will be teaching you how to get this bird size, because if you know the Roblox and you find this item and you're like, how do I get this? Well, you have to watch this video. So basically you have to go to Safari, Google, whatever you go on to search some stuff, your iPad, your computer, I don't care what you use. Okay, it's on like Android and stuff. Anything you play on. So you search up Roblox promo codes and what is it called? Promo codes Roblox, whatever you see. Click on that, the first thing you see, not the videos, because you better watch this. And you have to log in or sign up, whatever, if you don't have an account. We're going to be logging in. And I hope I'm gonna end the recording just to put my passwords. Okay, guys, so I logged into my account, and if it just shows you this, just slide and enter this code. Tweet Roblox, and then you redeem it. And if it says promo code successfully redeemed, I will just say if it don't show up, it will show up if you don't restart your Roblox. But if you're not on Roblox and you just used it like an hour ago, just do that. I don't know, but I would just do that in case it doesn't show up. So basically, yes, it's gonna have to be on your shoulders. Then boom, you have a little cute little bird on your shoulder. You like that? But I will take it off because just why? It looks like it's burning my hair, so just a little tutorial on how to get it. I know this video is so quick, but it's just a tutorial. So bye.